In the Matthew Perry overdose case, Ketamine Queen will enter a guilty plea. The Ketamine Queen has consented to enter a guilty plea to distributing the narcotics that eventually led to the death of Friends star Matthew Perry. According to the Justice Department, 42-year-old Jasveen Sangha will enter a guilty plea to 5 offenses in Los Angeles, including 1 count of trafficking ketamine that caused death or serious harm. 9 criminal charges were first brought against the American-British dual citizen. Her Los Angeles house was referred to by federal authorities as a drug-selling emporium after a search turned up hundreds of ketamine vials. In October 2023, Perry was discovered dead in his Los Angeles home's backyard jacuzzi. An investigation revealed that the acute effects of ketamine were the cause of his death. U.S. authorities claim that Sangha is one of 5 individuals, including medical professionals and the actor's assistant, who gave Perry ketamine in order to benefit from his drug addiction and cause his overdose death. These include Eric Fleming, who sold ketamine he had obtained from Sangha to Perry, Kenneth Iwamasa, who was Perry's live-in aide and assisted in the purchase and injection of the actor with ketamine, and Drs. Salvador Plasencia and Mark Chavez, who also sold ketamine. Since then, all 5 have consented to enter guilty pleas to the case's accusations. After many postponements, Sangha's criminal trial was finally set to start next month. As part of the deal with federal officials, she is anticipated to officially file her guilty plea in federal court in the next weeks. She's taking responsibility for her actions, her lawyer, Mark Garagos, told the BBC in a statement. She intends to enter a guilty plea to 3 charges of ketamine distribution, 1 count of keeping a drug-involved establishment, and 1 count of ketamine distribution that causes death or severe bodily harm. According to the Justice Department, Sangha may get a maximum sentence of 65 years in federal prison. The U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, states that ketamine is a dissociative anesthetic with some hallucinatory effects. The person may feel disengaged and powerless, and their experience of sight and hearing may be distorted. Because it causes patients to feel disconnected from their pain and surroundings, it is utilized as an injectable anesthetic for both humans and animals. According to experts, the medicine should only be delivered by a doctor, and because of the potential negative consequences, individuals who have taken it should be closely watched by a professional. Hollywood's ketamine drug network, which one doctor referred to as the Wild West in an interview with the BBC, was revealed by Perry's death and the inquiry into how he acquired so much of the drug over many years. According to the court department, Sangha also entered a guilty plea to supplying ketamine to Cody McClory in August 2019, who passed away from a drug overdose only hours after the transaction.